So now we have the gold recovery here. So for all you guys, the arm is pretty much aluminum, but there's the gold here, the gold tips. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, it's so fine, but there, yeah, you can see it a little bit, the gold right here in the tips. There's even an IC chip if you guys want to remove that. Take that time to remove that. There's even some gold right here. So great for people who do the gold recovery, but I'm just gonna remove this here and put the rest as aluminum. Sorry about that. Take out the platters. Aluminum, aluminum. Another chunk of aluminum. Plenty of aluminum. Let's see this guy. I'm pretty sure this has steel, so I'm gonna put this as a copper bearing motor. I'm not gonna hack away at it to remove the aluminum. And also, just in case you guys are interested, there's again some gold here on the tips. So I'll put this as a copper bearing motor. We got our aluminum, we got our magnets, and we have our platters. So let's do some math here. So we have about 13 ounces of aluminum. Now I usually get about 50 cents a pound. So we got 41 cents of aluminum. We got the 82 cents for the board. So already we're at more than the 106 if we separate the hard drive and the board itself. I think I said I was going to put these for 20 cents. So we're already at $1.40. And now, like I said, board sort takes the platters. And we have about 1.6 worth of platters. And the hard drive platters, they pay 25 cents a pound. So we're at 143, so 1.6 ounces. So about almost 3 cents worth. But I'm pretty sure people buy these still on eBay. I haven't checked in a long time. At the time, I remember they used to pay quite a bit. But we're just going with board sort now. And again, in the description, I'll check out what they go for and give you guys an update. So there you go, 2.5 cents. Copper bearing motor, I don't get much for that either. I think 18 cents. So again, about 2 cents. Let's see what the total is going to be. So by taking everything apart, obviously not including the